Most people are familiar with azaleas. They're sort of synonymous with springtime in the Mid-South. Many folks are not very familiar with our native azaleas or our wild azaleas. This is Rhododendron canescens. And yes, I said rhododendron. Most people probably don't realize that all azaleas are technically rhododendrons. They're a separate group as botanically. They have pentanthera, which means they have 5 anthers. But you don't have to count anthers. Just know this is a native azalea and it has these wonderful trusses. It's a deciduous plant. The fragrance is amazing. The buds are pink and it opens up. We collect these at the Dixon. I've had the privilege of going on some collecting trips in eastern Tennessee and western North Carolina. There are a lot of selections of these, wild growing selections. I think there's about maybe 15 species of native azaleas, but most of them are native to the southeastern United States. There's one native to the West Coast. It needs some protection from the hot afternoon sun. Morning sun is best, but I think of them as where they naturally grow, which is in morning sun only. But they're really just wonderful plants that are seldom used. Nurserymen don't really grow them because they're slow to produce and they just don't show as well in a container. We've actually planted one without any blooms on it, but it's not an instant gratification plant, but it's certainly worth the wait and really just an amazing native plant. Everyone's into native plants. This is just a fabulous thing to grow in your garden.